Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Maria Bacalanco. So today I'm gonna show you my favorite fruit, but this is all I have. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and you can leave a comment if you like. And this is my son Rafi. So you wanna learn something, Rafi?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a watermelon. So come here. This is watermelon.
Wait,
so
Mama?
in my language is pakwan. So this is cantaloupe in English, but it's in my language is melon. And this is mango in English, but in my language is manga. So this is mango. They do dry mango too. So it's very good if you want to try an Asian store. You can try the dried mango. So this is the mango they're doing. And we have calamansi. This is calamansi. In English is kumquat. Kumquat. So come here, Rafi. You wanna learn something?
Wait.
Come. And then while I'm doing that, so I'm gonna do a little bit unboxing. And this is watermelon. So we call in my language Tagalog pakwan. So yeah, this is sometimes it's sweet, sometimes it's not sweet. So but it's okay. Still we're gonna eat it. Bought a while ago. So I just want to try for my
This is how you
my,
open.
cell phone. So this is for universal metal desktop holder for tablets, mobile, and game devices.
Why not my iPad?
So we
Can I
wanna
use
try
it?
this one. Yeah, you can use this one. Okay.
Wait, is there one
So I'm
for
gonna
me?
unbox. So I wanna try. I have the other one, but it's nice. But this one is I want to try. Yeah. Come here, Rafi.
Mama, I want to try some watermelon.
Yeah, you wanna try? Yeah, we can do that.
Make some space for the guy.
Ouch! This is
Excuse me.
hard to open.
Broccoli.
Yeah. Here, come here. Sit beside Mama.
Oh,
Sit beside Mama.
shush cake.
Come here. Sit beside Mama.
Shush cake.
We're gonna do unboxing. So today we're gonna try this one. I'm gonna eat now. Later, after I do this. Yeah,
I want to try it too, but I feel like I might puke.
you might get. You want? Daddy's gonna do this one, the watermelon and the cantaloupe.
I want to try the watermelon.
Okay, sure.
First, I'm going to go to the bathroom.
Oh, okay.
Let's go!
Okay, Rafi. So, okay, it's open now. So, this is the one. It's foldable stand. So, I think you can use this one, yeah, right now inside your home, or if you go to
make
the
sure
park,
you wash your hands.
and you can swivel like this. Okay guys, thanks for watching, and see you my next vlog. And Rafi, can you say something?
I thought we were going to eat the watermelon.
Yeah, later, because we need to like this one, peel it first, and Daddy's gonna do it. Okay, thanks for watching, and have a nice evening here in Vancouver. Live in Vancouver with my Rapi Makulit. Don't forget to like and subscribe, please. Thank you. So I'm gonna eat the mango now. So I cut this one into 3. So we usually eat mango when I was in the Philippines. I remember that. And if you go to the market, they always have many kinds of mango. we have green mango and yellow mango. So we cut it into 3. So like this. So I cut it here. So we usually eat like this. And see. And I don't like the bones. It's in the middle. So when we eat this mango, we cut it here. How many? Like into, we cut it into 3, and then it's like this. And then when you eat it, you have to bend and do it like this, so you can eat it. Hindi siya matamis. When you eat it like that, and then this one, the middle part, but I don't like it. Yeah, you can have that one. Just you have to peel the skin like this, and then you have to eat this part. Maasim. Sweet, everything is gone. You can eat the whole thing around. I remember when I was in the Philippines, it's like this, like every day, but here not really every day. So guys, that's it for today, and thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you my next vlog.